Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making the camera usable right now. Check camera and mic permissions in system settings and enable them in the browser or app. Once done, update the ChatGPT client so you run the latest live camera features, then sign in with your account. You'll be prompted to grant camera access, accept it, and use the live preview to confirm framing and audio. Make sure lighting and background are simple. This reduces recognition errors and improves response accuracy when you start interacting. Now you configure how the live camera will interact with ChatGPT. Choose the mode you need: visual analysis for objects, role play for faces, or mixed audio and visual inputs, so the system routes data correctly. Then tweak resolution, focus, and privacy blur. Test with a sample frame to verify results. Next, select input language, camera orientation, and enable captions or transcripts if you want text output. Once these settings are stable, try a short prompt and ask a specific question about what the camera sees to validate you're ready to interact. Give concise, explicit prompts that specify what to analyze, the observation window, or the output format you want. As you proceed, record sessions where allowed and export transcripts or snapshots for review. This helps refine prompts later. When ending, properly stop camera access to protect privacy. If something goes wrong, camera feed drops or analysis stalls, restart the app, recheck camera permissions, switch browsers or devices, and relaunch the session. These steps usually resolve driver or permission conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.